So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to create, how to make the video more how to make the video more time. Okay guys, so guys, the video is the from Mixamo. Okay guys, Mixamo, you will download one FBX object. So guys, after downloading the FBX object, you will take and come to Blender. After taking and coming to Blender, you will only see some time of that. So guys, 1 or 2 seconds only. How to make it like 5 minutes, 4 minutes, like that. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to talk about that only. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never ever miss the video that we upload. So guys, first you have to import your the 3D model. I have imported the 3D model right here, as you can see. So guys, after importing your 3D model, we have to just I'm scrolling right here and seeing guys whether it's proper or not. And then you can see guys, I'm fixing the camera properly so that in that animation one tab is there. Okay guys, that one I'll say you, that tab you can easily see your video. Okay guys, so guys, first you have to just see how much seconds is there. Okay guys, so guys, this much seconds only there. Afterwards it gets stops. See guys, afterwards it gets stopped. This much only, only this much time will get. Okay guys, so guys, first you have to go to animations. After going to animations, you can see this yellow dot type of thing is there. Okay guys, that one is nothing but the animations, the dots. Okay guys, the bones, the animations parts. So guys, first you have to go to right, and then after going to right that one option that you can see is my mouse. Over there you have to click it. Okay guys, after clicking on it, it will go come right side first. Okay guys, so guys, after coming right there, right side first, you have to just go press anywhere in your screen. Okay guys, that the down part only. So guys, after pressing that, you have to just press A. Okay guys, you have to press E on it. After pressing A, it'll get full afterwards, after pressing on it, you have to press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Okay guys, there only, no need to move anywhere. Afterwards you can see it's like a double. Okay guys, afterwards you have to just do again the same the thing or method, and then again go to that right side first, and then again Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay guys, so guys, I'll do Ctrl C, and then afterwards I'll do Ctrl V. Okay, see guys, it's like more now. Now I have to make it to 250. Okay guys, so guys, to make 250 seconds, now again I'll do it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay guys, I have done now. After doing it, I'll go right side little bit. I will turn it to right side, move right towards right side. So guys, after going to right side, this is my place. Okay, this 250. Okay, so I have to just trim till 250. How will I do it? So guys, for that you have to see this video, this part full carefully. You have to press. Okay guys, not like this. Wait guys, should something happen? Let me press Ctrl Z, undo it. Yeah, now you have to just press somewhere else. Very long press. After pressing long press, you have to drag it. Okay guys, drag it like how I'm doing. After doing it, you have to press on delete. Okay, delete. I'll press on delete. Yeah, it got deleted. Okay guys, so guys, this is the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, you understood the video, and still now if you be seeing, you would understand. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that this more problems of you guys, it will come guys. Now this video is for your purpose only guys, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never ever miss the video that we upload. So guys, right here you can see it's more now time. So guys, you now my the 3D object guys, I have made it slow motion only because that is lagging little bit for me. Okay guys, but you don't do it slow motion. Okay guys, like in the previous video, how did I download it? That one is slow motion. Okay guys, so guys, like that only I downloaded this video. That's why it's lagging for me, or else it won't lag. So you guys don't think that your when your video will get lagged. So guys, bye bye, take care.